Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in as always. Okay y'all, so we're just gonna jump on in it today. First things first, I would like to say you all are the real MVPs. I love y'all from the bottom of my heart. Y'all, As Told by Her has officially hit 10,000 subscribers. Y'all, I just never ever thought that I would have that many subscribers and supporters here on YouTube, but I thank you all so very much. Y'all have made my natural hair journey the very best, the most enjoyable, the funniest, the greatest thing ever. So, as always, once I hit a really big milestone here on YouTube, I like to do a giveaway. So this time is no different. 10,000 is such a big deal and it's such an honor to have that many people who follow me here. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump on into it. I will be giving away a Red Pro 3200 Turbo blow dryer. So what's really good about this blow dryer is not only the fact that I have used it on my YouTube channel, but within this box you will also get about 3 to 4 combs that come along with it, and also be giving away a Cream of Nature heat protectant spray. Right, so not only will you all be able to blow out your hair, but you will also be able to protect it. And so this is also another product that I've used in my video. So like I've told you all before, I'm here to help and assist, but at the same time I want to give you all the tools that you need to achieve some of the looks that I do myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you all some of the rules and regulations to this giveaway. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Number 2, you must be following me on Instagram. So make sure that you follow me at As Told by Her __. Number 3, you must repost my giveaway photo on Instagram. So again, you're gonna need to be following me. Number 4, you're going to tag me in the repost photo. So number 5, in the photo that you repost, you're gonna need to answer this question. Describe the beauty of being natural. So for me, when I think about the beauty of being natural, I just think about the inherent beauty of like melanin, of blackness, you know, of just who you are at your very core and when you are just being raw. I think there's something very beautiful about accepting the fact that you have imperfections, that you're not, you know, that you're not perfect, and just learning to love who you are the way you are. So that's my little snippet. So really quickly, disclaimer, this giveaway is going to be open for 1 week, all right? So this time next week, I will be revealing who won, and there will only be one winner. So again, here we go. Here's the rules one more time. 1, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. 2, you must be following me on YouTube. 3, you must repost my giveaway photo on your page. 4, you need to tag me in that photo. And 5, for your caption, you need to answer this question. Describe what the beauty is of being natural. And I will go through and read all of these answers, and I will pick the very best answer that I think, you know, just takes the cake. And then a week from today, I will reveal who the winner is. So good luck. May the best subscriber win. Again, thank you all so much for following me here on YouTube and even on Instagram. I really appreciate it. So do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on this video. And I will see you all really soon. Bye.